Northeast records only 2 COVID-19 positive cases so far. And 10 people participated in religious gathering test positive for COVID-19 in Erode. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA. Let's get the news rolling. So far, Manipur has reported only positive case of COVID-19. Mizoram only recorded only 1 coronavirus case. With this, the Northeast has only 2 cases of the deadly virus. Meanwhile, all local retailers of Imphal West, Thoubal and Kakching districts can collect essential items for sale from wholesale vendors at Thangal Bazaar and Pauna Bazaar till 5 p.m. today. The retailers need to take prior permission from the respective deputy commissioners for the purpose, according to Imphal West Superintendent of Police. In what is turning out to be a massive crisis, 24 people in Delhi, 11 in Andhra Pradesh and 10 in Andaman and Nicobar Islands have tested positive for the novel coronavirus after participating in a religious gathering in Delhi's Nizamuddin that was also attended by 6 Telangana men who eventually died due to the pandemic. In Coimbatore alone, at least 82 people have displayed symptoms similar to that of COVID-19 patients, according to media reports. In Erode district, 10 of the 30 people who participated in the religious gathering have tested positive. Meanwhile, 1 death each in Maharashtra and Karnataka has been linked to the gathering. The crisis has set off a war of words between the Markaz and the Delhi government. While the mosque has denied that lockdown was violated considering the event was held between March 13 and 15, the Delhi government is mulling taking action. Coronavirus has spread among some of those who attended a religious prayer meeting March 13 to 15 at Markaz in Nizamuddin area in Delhi. More than 2,000 delegates, including those from Indonesia and Malaysia, attended the Tabligh-e-Jamaat congregation in Nizamuddin West from March 1 to 15. State officials at the South Delhi neighborhood was virtually sealed by the Delhi police following fears that some may have contracted COVID-19. The Maharashtra government had issued instructions to all district authorities to take precautions to contain the spread after a few patients who tested positive on Monday were found to be from densely populated areas in Mumbai and Pune, as per a media report. The number of people who have contracted COVID-19 in Maharashtra went up to 225 after 5 new cases were reported on Tuesday, officials said. Of them, 1 in Mumbai and 2 each in Pune and Buldhana, they said. There were 220 patients of the coronavirus disease till Monday, and the state had reported 2 COVID-19 related deaths, taking the total to 10. A 78-year-old man from Mumbai died at a private hospital, while a 52-year-old man died at a private hospital in Pune. Yoga Guru Ramdev yesterday pledged to donate Rs 25 crore to the Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund, CARES Fund, which has been set up to fight the coronavirus outbreak in the country. The Yoga Guru also said he will give the premises of 2 of his institutions in Haridwar and his ashrams in Kolkata, Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh and Solan, Himachal Pradesh for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. About 1,500 suspects can be kept in isolation at these facilities together, he said. Food will be provided by Patanjali at these places, he also added. Ramdev also informed all employees of his Patanjali and Ruchi Soya will donate their one-day salary, collectively amounting to Rs 1.5 crore to the PM CARES Fund. He also appealed to his followers to contribute generously to the PM CARES Fund in the fight against coronavirus. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, tragedy struck the media fraternity of Guwahati last night. A young budding journalist was killed in a road accident at Radhachura Road of Sundarpur in the city, according to a media report. The accident took place when Dimpi Kashyap, aged around 22 years, working with Pratibibha Live, a private web portal, was returning home from office. The young journalist was on her scooty with a fellow colleague, Arup Morang. She rammed into a light post at accident site of Sundarpur. Her residence was at Beltola Survey. A seriously injured Dimpi was rushed to Apollo Hospital at Christian Basti. However, despite best efforts from the doctors, she bled at 11:30 p.m. Her colleague Arup Morang is also seriously injured in the accident. He is presently undergoing treatment at the ICU of Gate Hospital in the city. It is learned that he received grievous injuries on his chest. Now let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Sangai Services Private Limited Yellow Mida Thabak Pirasi Thabak ta Chilhau Thirusi Adom na mayuk nariba awaba sing adu kokhan nabagi damak leijare Sangai Services Private Limited Yum gi mi yamna leijade haibagi awaba lebiganu yum gi darkar oiba thabak thoram sing tawbinaba sinmi nekpage khudong chaba phungbigani Manipur da ahan bo oina yamna hongna amadi yamna laina phone call amakhakna darkar oiba sinmi nekpa yabagi khudong chaba pijariba Sangai Services Private Limited ne pung kharagi amadi nongmagi waibagi khudong chabasu pijariba service singdi any type of construction, driver and home tutor available, housekeeping and house cleaning, pest control, catering service, electrician, carpenter, plumber, electronic repairing, haibadi, fridge, AC, water purifier asina chingbasing semjari amadi any type of labors available. Akupamorol gidama contact tobiyu Sangai Services Private Limited, Uripok Torang Mamlekai, Manipur 79500. I could contact number 7005071 Natraga 7005112 I could email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudongchadba kaya sigi yenglaga miyamgi damag hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyamgi thawal tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department singdi service lepchagani hospital asida laktingai mamangda makhada pizariba contact number asida hanana appointment lobiu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba khanghanjari Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Hidakadi thau oin animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau phongbiragani sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri nungsang laikoi haksang chikpa laihau apomba phuri samkenba tonsil na chingba kaya lainbada kanaba piri thau si thakpadi yade akupamorol gidama contact tobiyu sangbrai thau kyamgai maning laikai contact number 9366949
Welcome back. Amid the COVID-19 outbreak, Thaubal Bazaar area was sanitized by spraying bleaching powder by a combined team of Thaubal Police Station and District Police. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, KH Sanzenbam under Nambol constituency was sanitized with disinfectant today. The step was taken up by Youth Union Club and Youth Committee Ka Sanzenbam with the help of local MLA and Lokan. Over 60 volunteers took part in the disinfection program. Bleaching powder and phenyl solution were used in the cleaning drive. Youth Committee Publicity Secretary Anil Kumar Naurem emphasized on the importance of such disinfection drive in view of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Mamang su khoi tawdi taw khrabane adu bum ngam howda bai tare khoi turen sengmana singba amadi ngasi hidak lang thak kapthoktana smaina khoi youth sing puljalaga khoi smaina tawjabani khairu ngasi ge sigumba si program asida khoi nambone sigi one MLA one laibiriba honorable khoi si namairakpam local singana ma ki side tagi mangna changmu khudingmak si mangna smaina puthokpiraga pangalna khoi awangi naha sing punsin jaraga smaina khoi ngasi gi program si pangthok jabani.
Bisnupur District 4 Panchayat areas were sanitized today under the joint supervision of District Deputy Commissioner Nita Arambam, SDO, SDM, BDO of Moirang Block, CH Somorendro Singh. Disinfectants were sprayed in the Panchayat areas of Sunu Sipai, Naransaina and Tronglaubi. Public places like urinal sites, dustbin and banks. SDO, SDM and BDO Moirang, Pradhan, members of local club organizations and staff of Moirang Fire Substation took part in the sanitization program. BDO CH Somorendro Singh appealed to the public to follow the social distancing and stay at home norms.
COVID-19 Namna tamthiraba coronavirus ke laichat sidagi nga khongnaba koina sumain panthok chapase koina khona jabani aduga public singdi yari gai koi curfew lockdown sigi support tobo ina amadi laina si sandokpa thingbo ina yari gai yumda laibiu na khoi gi damaka khoi elected member khoi official essential service ta laiba khoi bam moi gi damaka khoi tabak tawi habise khoi chisu thamjaningi yari gai khoi disem session thok pamen ko pasim lockdown sida sai yumda lera kan doi sa gi family ka yamna leminaduna safe oina amdi lena sangdana bahna bada sandokpa thingna bahna bada amam gi thodan lobina se ai press media channel se keda bilto.
In Jiribam, volunteers of Uchathol Pioneer Club and UPC today sanitized Uchathol area during the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown and curfew imposed by the Manipur government. Pioneer Club Finance Secretary L. Sadananda said bleaching powder and phenyl were used in the disinfection program. Arun Enterprise proprietor Thangjam Arun today said the best thing the people can now do is to maintain social distancing and stay indoors at this hour of crisis caused by COVID pandemic. He said this while taking part in an ongoing sanitization drive which will cover all localities of Wangkai constituency. The sanitization program began yesterday. Arun also said the drive will continue with local volunteers. TOMTV has started a new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Konzel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 940-249-1494 or 841-587-5251 or 841-395-6065, 9612-928-767. or 811-908-0500 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist to bring a change in the state. Get ready, be the first citizen journalist.
Lockdown amadi curfew na singba asigi marak asida awana taraba parja singidamakta Honorable Chief Minister Pabung Biren Masana miyam gidamak kathokani miyam gidamak mateng pangani haiduna parja miyam waraba matam asida mateng kaya ama tawbibagidamak tasu haningai letana thagatsari ani suda imung manung waringai tanpam siraba tangkak asida selendari singi tha manga taruki tolop pithoktana lariba adu pithokpiyu haina Honorable Chief Minister amadi home pabireba sarsingi puning singsinjari.
Sarkarna lemna pibiriba cheng asi Chief Minister gi hakselgi tengbang kan paiba miyoi singdasu pibiyo haibani adubu chatlaga hairuba matamda rasan card paiba miyoi tangpi ne hai paidaba miyoi de piro hairei aikhoisu khangi rasan card paiba miyoi tang phangadabani haiba adubu hausiki chatnariba laina haibadi COVID-19 na maram oiduna awaba taraba miyoi sing amade laita lairaba miyoi singdasu pibiyo haibani aigi nupadu blind ni mimana daba singidi Sakau pandabra moigidi phangpham thokpasi phangaroidera aikhoidi CM HD card to paijabani CM HD card to ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯎꯠꯂꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ, ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ, ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ꯫ ꯀꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯠꯂꯨꯆꯣ, CMHC ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ CMꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯨꯆꯣ ꯆꯦꯡꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ꯫ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯠ ꯇꯣꯟꯗꯣꯟ ꯃꯧꯔꯨꯕꯤꯁꯦ
Huran begini mapugi noma compulsory chongtorkani nupilan akoi ningsingbiu nupilan thokhrisi karigino adu agency imungda bora manga mana lona thamagajo adugi bora manga do nupilan soina torkani mayam ngaiminaji din makun changam na chumme have apply do mayam loina lakani adugi ipai pusing piramba pawjo ko apply to biu adu sing phangdabi awabagi damang hujik am tonore lawnore adugi mahutta ibukta chakra yawringe pangal khara yawringe sida turen nakpa jagana guha tobiu adagi labuk nakpa jagada labuk ki matai da sosok lawn leibang famna fitkun ne na tobiu adu soina kapasari ising phangani sumba plan maya ama tobiraga akoina thengruba covid-19 je namdana ma machiba pije sana laiba manipur sig magul je yam seng namutung pithribi pumud uthokse mafam pithribi pumud phangdaba pot khra akoigi manipur sana laiba ta phangni habagi soje tawgi matang oire ising phangdabagi manipur ising phangdina wari je ising kapasari leigani karigi ising loktak ta ising thanna leiri loktak naknu jagani adudi akutpa chosala wong phumna fit kunne na gwa to biu kapasari ising phangani masi area se akona tawbo ma daga oi natana kona gomen na sum taksina legadi gomen lai nate gomen ni thu hai ru thon ngam mi nate gomen ju mi ni gomen ju pasana apply to ni gomen danga ta taksina legu je akoi wa soin tengani adu mota akoi isa isa na angamba pot mai di akoi arrange to hobji dagi aina aroi boina ina hajening maji laikai da laibiriba dukan phambiriba isinau singjina kwa chuf yamna yondiri maman tangna masi lepiu
Noman gisuraga chariba miyoi asidabu sarkarna yele ana inbiriba chenga sinabu kayam koina chaba ngamgaduribano yen banana yen biraga di achathau alu amadi thum makhan sune yen biyo loina na jujongpham amadi jujonpham ani asida coronavirus asi lakadra haina kijaba poi maramaduna lekai da Marapabi amadi club organization singna jujonba amadi jusungba mase puthing biyu haina TOMTV from the hygienic.
The primary health center at Laima Pokpam under Nambol constituency has stopped functioning following instructions from Health Services Manipur. However, the PHC will function when there are emergency cases during the COVID-19 lockdown, official sources said. Manipur Pandit Loishang Palace Compound Imphal today performed annual Kongba Laithong Phatpa Sajibu Laikhun Phunba ritual at the east of Kongba River, west of Iril River and holy sites of Angom Pokpa and Ningthem Pokpa at Kongpal Nauroibam Laikai. Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Northeast records only 2 COVID-19 positive cases so far. And 10 people participated in religious gathering test positive for COVID-19 in Erode. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.